Hello everyone. This video is about two serious problems on Xiaomi Redmi K50i 5G. The problems including display problem and touch problem were experienced by two different people who wanted to share their bad experiences. Without further delay, let's start the review. The first problem is Redmi K50i display problem. The display turns white and shows flickering lines. This usually happens when the phone is used to watch videos on YouTube or any other platform. There is also a significant Redmi K50i heating problem when this display issue occurs. If anyone knows what is the reason for this Redmi K50i problem or why this is happening, then please mention in the comment section. The second Redmi K50i 5G problem is the next level of the first display problem. The display shows the flickering problem along with the touchscreen not responding. This Redmi K50i touch problem seems similar to the display and touch problem that is widely present on Redmi Note 11 Pro Plus phones. Click the card at the end of this video to learn more about this Redmi Note 11 Pro problem. So far, the only solution for both of these problems is to hard reset the phone. For this, you will have to press and hold volume down button and power button till the phone turns off, after which it can be turned on normally. By the way, if you did not know about these problems so far, subscribe to my channel and stay up to date on problems on new phones. These two problems are not widespread as of now, so considering the specifications, Xiaomi Redmi K50i is a good phone. The hardware of the phone includes a MediaTek Dimensity 8100 5nm thickness octa-core CPU with a Mali G610 MC6 GPU. Redmi K50i comes with LPDDR5 6 or 8 GB of RAM with UFS 3.1, 128 or 256 GB of internal storage. Redmi K50i gaming test is satisfactory and games like PUBG, BGMI, Call of Duty etc. can run very well. However, the main attraction of the phone is the 144Hz refresh rate display even if it's an LCD display. Redmi K50i display test is good unless compared with AMOLED displays. It seems like Xiaomi is ditching AMOLED displays due to the true black problem that is common on almost all Redmi and Poco phones. You can learn more by clicking the link at the end of this video. Redmi K50i cameras include a 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and 2 megapixel macro camera, with the main camera having ability to record 4K video at 30 fps. The front camera is a 60 megapixel one. Coming to the battery on the phone, it's a 5080 mAh lithium polymer battery supported by 67 watt fast charging. Redmi K50i charging test shows that the phone takes almost 1 hour to fully charge. Now coming to the question of buying the phone, you'll have to consider the various pros and cons of this phone and make the decision. If you have any doubts or want to share any other problems that you're facing on this phone, please mention in the comment section and I'll help you out as I can. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing to my channel because only your motivation can help me get more phones for testing. Don't forget to watch these two videos, okay? Thanks again. Bye.